Have you ever stopped to think about the odds of becoming a billionaire? I mean, really? We all dream of that life, the sprawling mansions, the private jets, the freedom to pursue whatever whim strikes our fancy. But let's be honest, it seems about as likely as winning the lottery twice in a row. But what if there was a secret weapon hidden amongst the stars, a hidden path to unimaginable wealth written in the celestial script? For centuries, astrology has whispered of connections between the cosmos and our destinies. Today, we're diving deep into that cosmic pool to ask one burning question: will Geminis be the next generation of billionaires? Now, before you Geminis out there start popping champagne corks, let's pump the brakes a second. Astrology is a complex tapestry woven from planetary positions, signs, and aspects. It's not a magic decoder ring that guarantees a Scrooge McDuck money bin in your backyard. However, there are some fascinating correlations between zodiac signs and financial success. Studies, some with surprising credibility, suggest certain signs exhibit personality traits that lend themselves well to accumulating vast sums of wealth. So, what about Geminis? Those charming, quick-witted individuals born between May 21st and June 20th? Well, buckle up, because Geminis have a strong case for being financial powerhouses. First, let's talk about that Gemini mind. Geminis are renowned for their intelligence, their ability to process information at lightning speed, and their insatiable curiosity. They're natural learners, adept at picking up new skills and adapting to changing landscapes. This makes them perfect for navigating the ever-evolving world of business and finance. Imagine a Gemini in a fast-paced startup environment. They can grasp complex financial models, identify market trends before they even appear, and pivot strategies on a dime. They're the ultimate innovators, constantly brainstorming new ideas and solutions. Think of Elon Musk, a Gemini who's not only revolutionizing the electric car industry but also colonizing Mars, well, almost. But it's not just about raw intellect. Geminis are also masters of communication. They possess a silver tongue, an ability to weave narratives that capture hearts and minds. This makes them phenomenal salespeople, able to close deals and convince even the most skeptical investor to part with their cash. Picture a Gemini entrepreneur pitching their revolutionary new product. Their words flow with infectious enthusiasm, painting a picture of a future so bright it requires sunglasses. Investors are putty in their hands, mesmerized by the sheer force of their personality and vision. Think of Richard Branson, another Gemini, who's built a business empire on his charisma and ability to inspire. Now, let's not sugarcoat it. Geminis aren't perfect financial angels. They can be prone to indecisiveness, their minds flitting from one possibility to the next. This can lead to missed opportunities or half-baked ventures. They also have a bit of a restless streak, always seeking the next big thing, which can make them struggle with long-term commitment. Think of a Gemini entrepreneur who starts a dozen companies, each one with groundbreaking potential, but abandons them before they reach their full potential. This is the shadow side of the Gemini's brilliance, a constant need for stimulation that can hinder true financial mastery. So, the verdict? Are Geminis destined for billionaire bliss? The answer, like most things in life, is complicated. They certainly have the intellectual horsepower and the persuasive charm to make it big. However, they need to learn to harness their mercurial nature, to channel their boundless energy into focused pursuits, and to commit to seeing their ventures through to fruition. But here's the real kicker: regardless of your zodiac sign, the path to financial success is paved with hard work, dedication, and a healthy dose of luck. Astrology might offer some interesting insights, but it's not a guaranteed shortcut to riches. So, Geminis, if you're reading this, take heart. The stars may have aligned in your favor, but the ultimate key to your financial future lies within your grasp. Use your gifts wisely, work with unwavering determination, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next billionaire on the Forbes list. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.